Hope all of you enjoy the party. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, I am Tasfiya Malik.
And I am Mohammad Mahabubur Rahman. Assalamu alaikum. A journey of 1,000 miles. Though the destination is unknown, but a focused vision for success, yes, we truly believe this. Because we have a legendary example with us, and that is our late founder principal, Sir Shahjada Syed Fariduddin Ahmed.
In the world of accounting professionals, some names glitter like shining stars, and Sir Shahjada Syed Fariduddin Ahmed is one of them, who was born on 2nd February 1934 in the traditional holy Sufi saint family of Maizbhandar Darbar Sharif, Chittagong. He was the eldest son of late Hazrat Shah Sufi Maulana Syed Abul Bashar.
From the very beginning of his educational life, he showed many academic accomplishments, including double promotion. He achieved his bachelor degree in mathematics and business from Dhaka University.
Sir Shahjada Syed Fariduddin Ahmed was not only a man of his dream, but also was a successful entrepreneur. At the age of 24, he had become a chartered accountant and started his career as an accounting professional.
In the year of 1958, Sir seeded a plant in the name of Asaf Ahmed and Company, which is now a large tree of having branches with more than 100 articled students and thousands of course-completed professionals. As the founder of the Asaf Ahmed and Company in the former West Pakistan.
Although most of us remembered our sir as a reputed and outstanding chartered accountant, his rise was not only limited to accounting professional. He had kept very significant role in the field of management consultancy and computer science. He has also become
From Polytechnic Institute of New York.
While he spent 15 years of life in the USA for establishing himself and SF Ahmed and Company as management consultant in the New York, his motherhood was never out of his mind. Technological advancement and reformation of financial sector of Bangladesh, where SF Ahmed and Company assists as local consultant.
In the decades of 1980s, he guided his son in the family business and subsequently
On this occasion, we show our heartiest respect to our beloved sir.
Mr. Tanmoy and Ms. Farah to conduct the program further.
And I am Tanmoy Shakkar. Good evening everyone.
First of all, we would like to request our Honorable Principal, Mr. Enamul Chaudhary sir, and to deliver his valuable speech.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. President, SF Ahmed and Company, Students Association, senior partners, and my teacher, Syed Fazli Ali, senior partner, Mahiuddin Ahmed, fellow members of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh, old students, new students of SF Ahmed and Company, our honorable guest, Sir Fazli Hassan Abed, Chairperson BRAC, our honorable guest, partner, Ernst & Young Malaysia, Mr. Philip Rao, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is my pleasure to facilitate students of SF Ahmed Company for organizing such of biannual prize giving ceremony 2012. And also facilitate our students, old students, chartered accountants, guests who have come and joined in this August ceremony. This is an opportunity for all students, chartered accountants to get together at least bi-yearly. I also facilitate all students and chartered accountants because we know all are working as ambassador of SF Ahmed and Company in the country and outside the country. We are proud about 70 chartered accountants so far has been qualified out of 1200 in the country. About 10 chartered accountants have been qualified last 2 to 3 years from SF Ahmed and Company. First female chartered accountant, she was a student of SF Ahmed and Company, Ms. Suraya Jannat, now is senior financial management specialist in World Bank. We also proud that first female president of ICAB from SF Ahmed and Company students, Ms. Parveen Mahmood. Mr. Mustafa Kamal FCA, our ex-students, he is now Vice President of ICC, International Cricket Control Board. You know, since 1993, SF Ahmed Company is representing our local aspects of Ernst Young Global. That is Big Four Ernst Young. We are specialized in assurance and tax services as it is our profession. For consultancy services, SF Company is way above other firms. We have excellent professional environment for best services in consulting services and assurance in tax services. Our recent achievements is as lead firm, SF Company as lead firm with Ernst in India, we performed financial restructuring of Indian Railway from 2007 to 11 as foreign consultants in the country of India. We have, in Bangladesh, some government corporations and boards has been converted to public limited company, such as Bangladesh TNT Board, now is BTCL, Bangladesh Telecommunication Company Limited, Bangladesh Biman Air Corporation, now Biman Airlines Limited, and Shipping Corporation and Bangladesh Development Bank, which is a merger of PSB and BSRS. All these big organizations converted to public limited company. In these assignments, SF Ahmed Company was involved very much with the government for conversion to public limited company. Acer Consultancy Services we perform very big, is the biggest Acer Consultancy Services to Biman Bangladesh Limited very recently with Ernst Young India. We have prepared financial management system and risk-based audit manual of Bangladesh Bank in 2009 and 10. This is after liberation, is the first time that Bangladesh Bank has revised their manuals, financial management manual and risk-based financial audit manual. These two assignments as we have performed with our consultants. We have designed customized accounting software for BTCL, Bangladesh Telecommunication Company Limited, and nowadays we are developing our IT management, IT system designing and ICT audit also. Recently, we have performed a very big project, market survey and assessment of social business in Bangladesh by JICA funding projects. We performed a very big project of market survey of social business in Bangladesh. We have very recently starting the ICT audit and joining with MDs of different banks. That is in the year 2015, according to Bangladesh Bank circular, they must audit ICT audit of banks. So we have started discussion with top management of the banks for ICT audit, and also we are developing our resource person in that area also. We have manpower with external resources, implementation of Basel 3 to banks. We have already demonstrated 7-8 banks of Basel 2 and Basel 3 to private banks in the country. We have started some IPO consultancy services in this area and new to challenge to.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to request our Honorable Principal, Mr. Mainuddin Ahmed sir, to come up on the dais and deliver his valuable speech.
I must thank my partner, Inam. He has spoken everything. I don't have to speak so many things. President, Secretary, and the office bearers of SF Company Articles Association. Thank you very much for organizing this beautiful function. Ladies and gentlemen, we should be very proud because we have amongst us an icon of Bangladesh, not only of Bangladesh, he is internationally recognized, Sir Abed. As I said, Inam has covered everything about SF Company, so I will not speak much on that. I would only like to say that this firm started its journey 55 years ago. Mr. S.F. Ahmed, he established this firm in 1958. And during these 55 years, all the partners have done their hard work to improve the quality of work, to be one of the biggest firms in Bangladesh. We are very proud of Mr. Fazl Ali, my partner in Mushtaq, he is not here unfortunately. These two partners, they carried the flag of SF Ahmed Company, and they are very good day. Thank you very much. Anyway, I as an accountant, I'm very proud to say that I'm an accountant. An accountant has a very responsible role in the society. And we all know that one signature makes all the difference. People trust our signature. So we have to ensure quality of our professional work, and we are trying to do that. The quality of work essentially depends on the quality of the students that we have. Unfortunately, we do not get much time to train them up, but we are trying. And unlike other firms, we try to take classes for our students so that they can contribute to the work. They can improve the quality of the work. The demand of accountants in Bangladesh is going up. So many business houses are being established every year. So many foreign investments are coming into Bangladesh, and they all need good accountants. So we must produce good accountants for the country. I don't think you are prepared to hear a long speech. I am not also prepared for that. So with this, I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
We have our most honorable principal, Syed Fazli Ali sir, deliver his valuable speech.
I welcome you all, friends, fellow chartered accountants, students, to this occasion. And I congratulate the students for organizing this event, this annual event, as is done every year. One year we do it in the hotel, another year we have a picnic. So this is how it is done. And this has been going on for a long time. We have been around since 1958, so it's a long, long time. And I'm proud that I've been able to be associated with this firm through good times and bad. And it's still carrying on, hopefully for some time more. And my partners before me here have already spoken in length about the achievements and occasional difficulties and failures that we have had. And I look forward to a bright future. And in spite of the difficulties that the country is facing right now, and we have got disruptions and work around that, still I believe it will be right to look forward for the coming days. And I again thank you all for coming here tonight and joining us in celebration of this event. And thank you all.
Now we have the freshers reception, but due to shortage of time, we could not give away your presents this time. So we will move on with our farewell session, and that will be conducted by Atif and Kriti. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Syed Atif Farhan. It's time to give away a token of mementos to our seniors, those who have completed their course within 2011 and 2012.
Senior members who have completed their course are requested to come up on the stage once their names are announced. And we would like to request Enamul Haq Chaudhary sir to give away the memento.
Therefore, starting with Muhammad Bashir Uddin. Esther Monirul Jaman.
Vipul Kumar Vishwas, Shahabuddin,
Ashutosh Mondol, Madan Mohan Shah, Alan Zuel, Shelina Akhtar,
Abida Sultan Nahar,
Rajiv Kumar Shah, Mahabub Rahman,
Abu Kausar,
Fateha Noor, Anutosh Kumar,
Muhammad Sajid Sahabuddin, Mahbub Rahman, Muhammad Bashir Rahman, Muhammad Nurul Haidar Bhaiya, Walida Shamil Mishra.
Muhammad Didar Hussain, Masud Mia, Muhammad Wajib Haidar Chaudhary, Abu Imran Chaudhary, Muhammad Salman Hussain,
Muhammad Umar Farooq, Saiful Islam, Muhammad Zilul Rahman, Amina Begum, Muhammad Alamin Mia.
Shahidul Islam, Muhammad Shahadat Hussain, Sadiq Khan Chaudhary, Sadiq, Muhammad Mizanur Rahman, Majidul Rahman,
Shahidul Islam, Abdullah Farooq, Mizanur Rahman, Salma Siddiqa Rahman, Ania Firdaus.
Saida Akhtar Chaudhary, Sultana Kanis, Muhammad Abu Hashem Shobuj.
Thank you.
The result of hard work in various levels.
First of all, to give away the praise to the successful members. In the session May-June 2011, Sujit Kumar Das,
Orindra Raj, Muhammad Ziaul Haq, Tania Ferdows,
now Aminul Islam,
Nair Sultana, Fateha Noor, now May
Ashadul Haq,
Muhammad Saidul Islam,
Muhammad Shafiqul Islam, Lagobat,
Ripon Kumar Vishwas, Shahidul Islam,
Sadiq Khan Chaudhuri Sadi,
Salma Siddiqa Ratna,
Abdullah Farooq,
Muhammad Tauhidul Islam,
Shakawat Hussain,
Ranjit Kumar Das,
Yasin Arafat,
Muhammad Ashfaqul Alam,
Dinaya Yasmin Tuli,
Farhana Zihan,
Anju Manara Shumi.
last in the list, Liza Akhtar.
Now, November-December 2012 starting list.
Shamimur Rahman,
Wahida Sharmin Nishu,
Rajiv Kanti Bhomik,
Muhammad Shah Ajit,
AHM Saifur Rahman,
Ahmed Reza Rafi.
With that, we complete knowledge.